अपॉर्चुनिटी है तो लड़की पवित्र है, नहीं है तो हम इससे शादी नहीं करेंगे।
What's the first thing comes in your mind when someone says virginity?
तोड़ दो।
तोड़ दो।
Sex. Sex.
Sex.
हवस।
Lost.
कब गई?
कब गई?
Overrated. मैं अभी छोटी हूँ.
मैं भी छोटी हूँ।
It's my choice. Adventure.
Adventure.
Anyone can lose it's our choice.
They are making an issue of it. जब भी कभी ये वर्जिनिटी वर्ड आता है हमेशा एक इशू बन जाता है, बट इट शुड नॉट बी एन इशू. वी आर ग्रोन अप.
Virginity is like the things which you have never tried. You are virgin to that. So just break it and enjoy it.
So people judge if you are a virgin, then it's like, oh wow. But like in Indian, I think in Indian culture, it's like people want a wife. They want their wife to be virgin, but the guys are not.
According to you guys, what's the right age to lose virginity?
जब मौका मिले।
जब मौका मिले।
Maybe 17, 18 and above. I guess 16 years, 20.
When you lose control.
When you lose control. Oh.
When you are mature, when you feel you have the right mate to do so.
Mentality according to that person.
According to mentality.
Yeah.
There is no right age as such. When you feel it is the right time, that is the right time.
Anytime a person is comfortable. When you are comfortable and self-confident.
18.
18.
Whenever you feel like.
Whenever you feel like.
Whenever you wake up, just.
Yeah, whenever you feel like.
Yeah.
It depends on person to person. It's your choice.
Doesn't matter again, because if the virginity doesn't matter, the age losing it also doesn't matter.
I think after marriage.
So whenever you are mentally or physically ready for it.
When you're legal, you can do it. Whenever you feel like, I mean, when you feel you are responsible enough to take for your decision.
20+ ही है मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि इससे बंदा मैच्योर भी हो जाता है और पता लग जाता है कि क्या मतलब माहौल कैसा है. और
A last question in India. Still, there are a lot of places, okay, where virginity is considered as purity of a person. Do you agree to that?
No, not exactly.
A woman's purity doesn't exist in her virginity.
I don't think so.
I think nothing can define your purity or impurity. It depends on person. It's your personal choice. Nobody can define if the person is pure or not.
Actually, it's a myth. It's going on from centuries to century. और it's a myth कि अगर वर्जिनिटी है तो लड़की पवित्र है, नहीं है तो हम इससे शादी नहीं करेंगे।
भाई आदमी करे तो ठीक है, और बंदी ने कर लिया तो प्रॉब्लम हो गई. क्यों? क्या इशू है? आज चलो ठीक है, गर्ल्स के बारे में पता चल जाता है कि वर्जिनिटी है, वर्जिन है नहीं है, क्या है. बंदे का तो नहीं पता चलता, क्या पता कितनों के साथ क्या हो.
कि मैरिज करनी है तो वर्जिन होनी चाहिए लड़की. वैसे तुम्हें जाना है कहीं भी जाओ, कुछ भी करो. So guys, please, you need to grow up.
You can fall for love again and again, and if you are in love, there's nothing being wrong in being physical, you know.
In fact, we talk about the young generation. In young generation also, when we look for a girlfriend, you know, maybe we are fine with it at times. But when we go for the marriage, no, it's somewhere in the young minds also. It's somewhere is still stuck. I guess that's why the change is not coming.
Judging is wrong in any place. Like if she is wearing crop top and someone is judging in this is also wrong. And yeah, तो वर्जिनिटी पे भी अगर कोई जज कर रहा है तो वो भी रॉन्ग है.
And this is something which should not be there in the society. Girls है, उनका भी मन है भाई. क्या बंदों का ही मन होता है? हम ही कर सकते हैं, वो नहीं कर सकते.
I really feel, though we talk so much about these things, but almost in 80% of homes during marriage, it's like we have this white bedsheet concept.
ये हमारा पर्सनल मामला है. हम ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप वर्जिनिटी से आप उसका कैरेक्टर डिफाइन कर रहे हो.